I mean, I think that all of them are inspirational in each and every way. Kangana Ranaut, to say what she believes in, I think that all of us have, in our own way, paved a lot of paths. How do you find the Bollywood kind of depiction of journalism on screen?
Very interesting question. So, like for me, what's slightly weird is that there was a time when everybody who was playing like a woman journalist on screen would think that they're playing some version of me. And then I would look at them and I would be like, huh, okay. So I remember Preeti Zinta in Laksh, that I knew was modeled on me because Javed Akhtar had actually spoken to me at great lengths to create the character of this journalist covering the Kargil war. And then there was No One Killed Jessica, and then there have been many other movies, and I'll always see the actor will give an interview and the actor will be asked, who have you modeled this yourself on, and they'll say Barkha. But there's a bit of a cliche, like I think there's a kind of cliched representation. I think that no one has really done a deep dive into how obsessed we get, how consumed we get, how much tougher it is to be a female journalist trying to get to the same point as a man. I really want to see a film which has the central character, not the side role, not the marginal role as a journalist, but the central character. It's like it's waiting to be told. So like I remember in No One Killed Jessica that like somehow the visualization of me was like this sort of single woman who abuses a lot. Now I might be that, but there's a lot more to me too. So that lots more has not been found. So I really hope somebody makes a film with that character one day.
I'm sure now they will. So would you say, Barkha, that journalists are too hard on celebrities?
So I'm actually glad you've asked me this question, because what I've seen unfold in the mainstream media, or sections of it in the last few months, has embarrassed me. I would never want to, practice that kind of journalism. I don't actually think it's journalism. Witch hunting, no matter who it's against, whether it's against a celebrity or whether it's against a non-celebrity, is not journalism. To make allegations that are unsubstantiated, that have no reporting basis to them, is not journalism. To sit in your studio behind a chair and declare who is innocent and who is guilty is not journalism. Because some of what's happening to the film industry is also, I won't say its own fault, but is the price you pay when you don't speak your mind. It's a lesson also for celebrities that, don't be too careful, be yourselves. Because people are going to come after you if you're not yourselves. But if you yourself, अगर आप डरते ही नहीं है तो वो आपका क्या बिगाड़ सकते हैं?
Yeah, but we have, everybody has a habit of just living in fear, not realizing that actually that is causing more repercussion.
I agree.
So my next question is actually a question that it's my most favorite question, which I want to know. Tell us the worst journalistic interview you have ever seen.
I think what Mr. Goswami has been doing has brought enormous shame to the journalism that I believe in. And I think that it's not about one interview, it's just about bringing journalism down to a level where it's unrecognizable. So let me put it to you like this. If I was a college kid growing up in today's age of television, I would never have become a journalist. I think what Arnab has done masquerading as journalism has brought enormous shame and embarrassment to all of us in the profession.
That's for sure. But now switching gears, obviously, I'm going to give you this opportunity now. One question to ask me.
And I can ask anything?
One question, one.
Okay, who for you is the most inspiring female colleague who you think has broken all the boundaries and all the rules, and you look at her and you say, I wouldn't be able to do that. I wish I could, but I wouldn't be able to.
What are the choices? I should have
some
nice,
I could say Kangana, and I don't know if you tell me what you think.
Barkha loves it. Okay, I put my own foot in my mouth.
I'm being naughty.
So now,
I'm being naughty. I'm being naughty.
You're being naughty on what women want. But I think that all of them are inspirational in each and every way. Whether it's Vidya Balan or whether it's Deepika Padukone, there's just so many of them, who've actually had the guts. Kangana Ranaut, to say what she believes in. I think that all of us have, in our own way, paved a lot of paths,
I totally get what you're saying, but I have a follow-up. What are you scared of? Because you don't strike me as someone who's scared of anything. You're a total moophat.
Honestly, I don't know, what I'm actually someone who will be really not scared about anything. I'm somebody who would just be like, "Arey yaar, nahi, kuch nahi, dekha jayega." But I think because of some pressure, like you said earlier, you know, थोड़ा सा pressure जो आता है, it's from parents कि stress है, ये है कि mom ने बोला, dad ने बोला कि ज़्यादा बोल रही है, मत बोलो. You know, sometimes for their respect, you know,
Yeah.
उस pressure में that is also there, you know, which you come under. But I keep arguing with them, and I still try to voice my opinion and kind of, you know, break that and say that no.
Yeah.
You know, y'all are from a different generation, I am my person and I'm from a different time. So let me say what I want to say.
Absolutely.
So I have some quick questions and you can be unapologetic and say whatever you want.
Done.
So my first question is, the celebrity जो सबसे entertaining interviews देता है.
It used to be Shah Rukh Khan till he stopped giving interviews.
अच्छा. So you'd say SRK.
It used to be. Now he's become a very careful, cautious version of himself. But there was a time when he was an absolute delight.
The celebrity जो सबसे कम enthusiasm में जवाब देता है.
Mr. Bachchan, it is an absolute trauma for any journalist, even someone as seasoned as myself, to interview him. You can get nothing out of him. His guard never falls. His mask never falls. He answers in monosyllables. He gives nothing away. Nothing away. You can't penetrate that veneer. हो ही नहीं सकता.
Oh God. The celebrity जिसके answers कुछ ज़्यादा ही intellectual होते हैं.
कौन सा कोई ऐसा intellectual celebrity है? कोई भी नहीं है.
हाँ, ज़्यादा कोई है नहीं हमारे. I don't know. Imran. The celebrity जो अक्सर last minute cancel करता है.
No one's ever cancelled on me. Actually, more than celebrities, politicians do that. Politicians are damn irritating and they cancel on you all the time. They're very unprofessional about their time. Celebrities from other walks of life don't do it.
That's true. That I agree. So, when you want it all from a story, what happens when things start looking a bit unachievable in terms of like sources or interviews? How do you make sure to get it, you know? So tell us your Dabur Amla Aloe Vera want it all moment.
What is my formula? My formula is persistence. Do not take anybody else's no as a no. You know, for example, I remember in 1999 when I wanted to go and report the Kargil war from the front line. Initially, everybody said no to me. They said, you cannot go. And I kept saying, why? And they said, look, it's a war zone. There is no place to stay. It's an all-male zone. So I said, so? And they said, look, there'll be no separate place for women to sleep and no bathrooms for women, right? And so how do we look after you? And I said, look, I promise you I don't need looking after. I will go behind the truck ka tire or under the tree or in the khet like the guys do for the loo, and I will sleep where I have to, in the car, in the underground bunker. And I did all of that, but I had to do it. So I think my only formula is do not take no for an answer. Nobody can stop you but yourself.